and we feel nourished right away, okay? Don't underestimate just only exercise. Remember, I do exercise for my whole life. It's not only exercise. It's about the practice, about mindfulness, about love, taking care of our own body and mind. When I do exercise, when I practice, I come back to my breathing, I feel nourished. But when I do exercise, I do Qigong, I feel so nourished every moment. In the practice, we never forget that it's a joy and peace in the exercise, in the practice. First of all, nourish body by the do simple acts of Qigong. And second is I nourish from my breathing. When I breathe in and breathing out, I feel so relaxed. And I generate energy of joy and peace. So that joy and peace have capacity to heal. We feel in that way and we feel nourished right away, okay? So don't underestimate just only exercise. Remember, I do exercise for my whole life. It's not only exercise. It's about the practice, about mindfulness, about love, about understanding, about taking care of our own body and mind. So those kind of deep is like to focus on. I don't forget to nourish myself, even a little bit of smiling, a little bit of mindful breathing, a little bit about massage my body with love. So the first movement we call the dragon, okay? So this one you can stand in your two legs together like this. You can move your two legs, you can touch your two legs together, okay? Join the two palms. Join the two palms and bring up here, breathe in. Then out, left turn. In, right turn. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, drop down to the left. Look in the back. Inhale up. Left. Exhale, cut right. In, cut left. Out, drop down to the right. Look in the back. Inhale, point left. Exhale, point right. In, left. Out, right. In, left. Out, right. In, center. And then jump. Let it go. Release tensions, okay? Inhale. Exhale, left. In, right. Out, cut left. In, cut right. Out, drop down to the left. You can bend your knees a little bit, so feel comfortable. In, up. Left. Out, cut right. In, cut left. Out, drop down to the right. In, point left. Out, right. In, point left. Out, point right. In, left. Out, right. In, center. And out, jump, and let it go. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Breathe out slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment. You feel your spine, feel your back, you feel your two legs. You offer a smile to yourself. So the next one we call the butterfly, okay? You can start from the left first. So breathe in, your hand, go back. Breathe out, move forward, okay? Inhale, move up and open. Exhale, you cross your two palms, face the palms up. And then you can look down to your left toes, okay? Front back, go straight. And then the right legs go square down this way, okay? Like that. Breathe in again, lift your right leg up. Your hands ready from your hips. Out, stretch your hands and stretch your legs at the same time, okay? Look down to the earth. Inhale, move your hands up, put your legs down, open. Exhale, we cross the palms and look down to your left toes, okay? In again, right leg up, out, stretch. Keep your own balance. In, up, open. Then we'll turn to the right. Inhale. Exhale, move forward. Okay, in, up, and open. Out, cross the palms and look down to your right toes, okay? In, left legs up. Out, stretch your hands and the left legs. In, move up and open. Out, cross your palms and look down to your toes. In, ready? Out, stretch. In, look up, open. Out. One more time. In, stretch, out. Inhale, up, open. Exhale. Cross your palms, look down to the earth. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out, slow. Bring your mind back to the body. So we can do short massage movements. One hand on the lower abdomen, another hand outside, okay? Can massage with a clockwise direction. You press a little bit. Allow your lower abdomen to relax and release tensions. Feel your stomach and then massage the two palms together until you feel warmth, and then side by side. The other hand. Then you can put your palms on your face, okay? Massage your face. Breathe in. Massage your lower back, lower back, and then two legs. Go down your two legs and go to front. So we can do 3 rounds like that. Relax your legs and relax your lower back. Then relax your 2 hands, your arms. Click beside your arms, okay? Then the right hand. One more time.